Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. Today I'm installing a new stereo in this old pickup truck here. This, what is it, Ford Explorer Sport Trek. And I'll show you what I got going on here. Yeah, here's aftermarket stereo that we're taking out. And here, quite a bit of spaghetti wiring going on there. And here's this brand new one we're putting in. Got DVD player on it. Yeah, I can't talk too much yet. I gotta get to work here. Alright, got all that old wire harness stuff out of here. Now there's the antenna cable. Yeah, still gotta hack this up a little bit to add the matching wiring harness on the new stereo. And this pink one here is the brake accessory line. Red, black, and yellow, that's the same on every car stereo you're gonna find. Make sure you match up them three right. New wiring harness, I have those three already separated and ready to peel back, tie together with the other wires, and wrap them in tape. Ground line, on the negative, however you want to put it. Yeah, I like to twist it together and I just kind of tug it into either one of the sides, and then you can wrap it in tape that way. This way it doesn't come apart afterwards. And there's that one completed. I got a whole bunch more to go. Alright, now I got the red, the yellow, black, and the pink all hooked up. And now the new stereo should at least turn on when I plug this into it. Cues in the on position. Oh, this is upside down. Okay. So at least we got that much. Okay. Alright, now I got one of the speakers hooked up, assuming everything's correct on the other end. Now let's reconnect that stereo, and we'll see if this, at least one speaker comes on. If it is, we're good, and I'm just going to finish this up. Oh, hey, don't hit that skip button. Yeah, just want to take this moment to show you my first ever Android video game. It's called Shopping Cart Madness. I don't know if you can see it that well from there. Oh man, I'm still getting some glare from over there. So, yeah, basically you're sitting in a shopping cart, a gas-powered shopping cart, riding up a beach, collecting beer bottles and trying to avoid big tires, mailboxes, fire hydrants, parking meters, and other various objects that, yeah, if you were hit with a shopping cart, you'd have a really bad day. Let's see if we can play it up. Different speed levels. Yeah, because I'm kind of doing this backwards, I'll do it on 2. Yeah, just tap the screen to go to make a move from one side to the other. Oh, I already hit something. Yeah, the guy face plants in the windshield of a bus. Kind of a violent game over screen. I also got to give a shout out to my guys at GameProfits.co, because without them, I probably would have tossed my computer against the wall. So if you got a video game that you want to put out, be sure to get a hold of them guys if you're an amateur like me. If you guys get me to 100,000 downloads, that would really be appreciated. I'll build one of these gas-powered shopping carts on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give it away. and to one of my subscribers. So yeah, definitely check out my YouTube channel too. It's right about here. And don't forget Game Profit CO. Here it is. Yeah, now back to the show. Already in progress. About to do a speaker test. Yeah. Good, I got all the speakers working. Now I gotta read some pictures to figure out how to get that screen to come out, and then we'll figure out the rest of this, putting the rest of this together. There it is working, everything more or less set up. I still haven't set up the reverse camera, but one thing at a time. I'll figure that out hopefully sometime later this week before I go home. Look how loud I have to yell. Yeah, obviously there's a bit out of the ordinary, but I'm gonna do it. I had to do it anyways. I figured it's a chance to at least get some recording done this week. Down here in my vacation property down here in Mexico. This was on favor for a sister-in-law. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's that smiley face with some busted teeth. I think it's gonna be down over here somewhere. Yeah, you go ahead and click on that. You're automatically subscribed to my channel. By the time this video comes out, my first line of t-shirts should be out. So click the link in the description if you want the broken smiley face t-shirt. Like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. You got anything to say? Anything you want to see in some future videos? Any suggestions? Go ahead and leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.